I'm Jeff Nafusi, Vice President of AM Electric, and today we're going to be starting our new blog called Light and Learn, which you can find on amelectric.com. The thing we're going to talk about today is the difference between halogen floods and LED floods. There are two major differences when it comes to these two different bulbs. The first being the length of life. Right here you can see on the box, if you can get in there, it's 2,000 hours, which in lighting is it's not that long. So on the contrary, you go to the LED and you look right here on the box, it says 25,000 hours. So right there in your mind, you're thinking, well, that's at least 10 to 15 times longer, which makes a huge difference, especially if you have high ceilings. You don't have to go and change them so often. The second part that you're going to see is the difference you can save in your utility bill on a daily basis. We're going to start with the halogen first. I'm going to measure this with a meat thermometer here. You can see the temperature gauge right now is at 75. Watch the difference as it goes right now as I put the thermometer on it. Also notice how fast the meter is moving right now. And when we get to the LED, we're going to show you quite a bit of difference between both the temperature and the turn on the meter. Okay, right now we're at 110 and keep on going. It's going to zoom up here. It keeps on getting hotter as it keeps on going. But that's even a starting point. We've had it on for about 30 seconds. It's already at 124 degrees, where before it was 75. So you can imagine how much your air conditioning is working a lot harder when that's going on. Still going. This is unbelievable. And you can feel the heat coming off of the bulb as it's going. And this is how, probably one of the most common bulbs still sold in households today is halogen floods. And while they do produce a nice little light, the difference in temperature, let's say you're cooking something in your kitchen, you're using your air conditioning is going to keep on running and running. You have the stove as well as halogen floods is creating this heat monster. Look, now we're over 200 degrees. We settled in over about 200 degrees worth on the light. On the contrary, we're going to let this cool down and then show you the difference when you use LED. And we're back, and the thermometer now is back at room temperature. So now we're going to try it out with the LED and show you the difference in the temperature gauge. Remember, we got it up to over 200 degrees almost on the halogen flood. So let's see what it does when the LED is on. Right now we're going, you can see it's definitely not going as faster paced temperature-wise up. We're at 76 degrees. So we haven't even moved them. There we go. We're going up a little. It's going to rise a little bit, but the temperature difference, you can see the difference between that and when I had it. Even on the off halogen now, it's going to go up. It's been off for about 3 or 4 minutes, and it's still going up now at a rapid pace again. Where LEDs, it's just not going to do it. The gauge is going to be a little hot from that. So in conclusion, let me show you real quick too. You can see the spinny thing right here. It's showing the meter, the old light meter, and we'll show you the difference in speed real fast. Look at that. That's at least 10 to 15 times the speed of this. Snail's pace, fast. And to sum it all up, there's no reason now why you should be buying halogen floods over LEDs. LEDs may be a little bit more money, but they're going to save you so much in the long run. For this or any other questions you have about LEDs, come down to AM Electric and we'll be happy to show you anything. And please look for our next video at amelectric.com.